Thank you for choosing the Mighty M ChoreMaster Series Spot Extractor. This video will guide you through setup, operation, and maintenance for both 2-gallon and 3-gallon models. For this demonstration, we'll be using the 3-gallon model, but the setup and operation steps are the same for all units. Step 1. Initial setup. Flush the antifreeze. All carpet extractors are shipped with antifreeze in the pump and solution lines. Before first use, you'll need to flush it out. To flush out the antifreeze, first, fill the bottom tank with enough clean water to fully cover the water filters. Then, replace the top recovery tank and secure it with the side latch. Plug the unit into a grounded electrical outlet and attach the solution hose. To attach the solution hose, slide the collar back on the hose and connect it to the quick disconnect on the machine until you hear it click. Now, attach the vacuum hose to the recovery tank drain spout. If needed, twist it back and forth while pushing it into place. Turn on the pump and squeeze the trigger on the tool to spray water through the lines. Continue until all the antifreeze is flushed out. Step 2. Preparing the cleaner. When adding in the cleaner, remove the recovery tank to access the base solution tank. Fill with warm water that is less than 100 degrees Fahrenheit, leaving it at least 4 inches from the top. Add the recommended carpet detergent or upholstery solution. Follow the dilution instructions carefully. Double check and make sure the filters are in place before operating. Replace the recovery tank and secure it with a latch. Never use citrus acids, harsh degreasers, or water hotter than 100 degrees. Step 3. Startup and operation. Place the machine on a flat, level surface. Plug into a 15-amp grounded outlet. Connect the solution and vacuum hoses and attach the tool if it's not already connected. Turn on the pump and squeeze the trigger to remove any air from the lines. Pre-spray the stained areas with a cleaning solution, then agitate lightly with a brush. For heated units, like the 3-gallon extractor, turn on the heater and allow 5 minutes for the water to preheat. Always keep the pump running while the heater is on. Begin cleaning by alternating between spraying solution and vacuuming it back up. This helps maintain optimal water temperature while lifting stains. If you pause more than a few minutes, turn the heater off to prevent overheating. The brass quick connects may become hot. Let them cool before disconnecting. When the recovery tank fills, the float shutoff will stop suction. You'll hear a higher tone from the unit. This is your signal to turn off the vacuum motor and empty the tank. Step 4. Emptying the recovery tank. Remove the top recovery tank. Unscrew the vent cap on top to allow air in. Pour the dirty solution out through the vacuum inlet into a sink, toilet, or floor drain. Reinstall the recovery tank and continue cleaning if needed. Step 5. After each use. Remove and empty both tanks. Then, rinse the water and recovery tanks thoroughly with clean water. Flush the pump hoses and any tool used with clean water. If detergent was used, run a 50-50 vinegar-water solution followed by clean water to prevent buildup. Lubricate the quick disconnects with WD-40. This will keep the quick disconnects easy to use and store the unit with tanks empty and dry. That's it! Your Mighty M ChoreMaster Series Spot Extractor is ready to deliver powerful cleaning performance. Whether you're tackling spills at home, detailing vehicles, or handling professional cleaning jobs. With durable construction, industry-leading warranties, and years of reliable service ahead, you're ready to clean with confidence. The Mighty M ChoreMaster Series Spot Extractors. More power, more capacity, more clean.